Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to recover your lost Facebook page without business account. So first thing first, log into your business.facebook.com. So when you log in, you'll be on this page, Meta Business Suite. The next thing you want to do is scroll down here to settings, okay? Click on settings. So once you click on settings, on this left corner, you want to scroll down to setup guide. All right, so once you click on setup guide and it loads up, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to come down here to pages. So we're going to claim page. So since we want to claim our lost page, you click on claim page, right? And if you want to create a new page, you can also create a new page here. So claim page. So I'm going to input one of my pages. Right, here's the page. So it says this page is in your business manager and you see it's on your page tab. So since my page is already on my business manager, there's no need for me to claim this page. So but if your page is not on your business manager, all you have to do is just put in your page name and then add page. So once you add the page, your page is going to be on your business manager back, okay, on your Facebook page. All right, so if you gain something from this video, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and anything you don't understand, leave a comment